Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you for joining us today. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about 5 very important dates to be putting in your 2021 calendar. So 5 dates, guys, that I need you to write down or listen up very, very carefully. But before we talk about these very 5 important dates, I want to wish all of you guys a very special happy Valentine's Day weekend with your loved ones, family, children, and your very significant other. Be safe, and I know things are getting better, much better. We had the vaccine that's being rolled out and given to first line workers and of course our seniors. And I just want you guys all to know that I know that it's really tough right now, especially with your children and seniors and those that are isolated. Remember, pick up the phone and call your loved ones. Check up on them. Ask them how they're doing, especially seniors and young children. You know, crack a joke over the phone, read a poem, do a Zoom video, cook for them and drop them off food. Do game boards with your children, puzzles. Keep your mind activated and healthy and keep those conversations going with your family members. I do it almost every day if I'm home with my children. We do not have our cell phones around the table. We do not put the TV on. We have very, very valuable conversations about life, about elections, about vaccines, about how they feel. And, you know, sometimes there's serious conversations and sometimes they're laughable conversations, but keep things light in the home and keep the movement going. And exercise is also good too as well. If you have animals, take your dog out for regular walks, cats, play with them. You know, there's so much things you can do. And I know it's hard right now, but we are getting, you know, seeing the light. There is a light. Things are getting better. And I want to talk to you about these 5 important dates. So what are these dates? Well, first and foremost, great news. The Canadian Pension Plan payments to those who are receiving it have increased from $54,200 to $56,300 for pensionable earnings. You can get paid from the government for those who will be retiring or already retired, which is great. However, your contribution on payroll has increased from 5.45%, if I may say, to an additional 0.2%. You won't see a major hit on your payroll source deductions. It will be effective January 27th and be rolled out in months to come too as well. Maximum RSP contribution date is March the 1st. Put in your RSP, take advantage of those tax deductible. And that's very, very important. It has slightly increased to maximum contribution of $27,830. And of course, the dreadful day, tax filing, April 30th. That's when you need to file your taxes, start getting your receipts in place, all your expenses, your T4s and your T5s and so forth. And then TFSA. The increase is still the same from last year. It's $6,000, but up to $75,500 you have up until December 31st to invest in that tax-free savings account. And for those of you who have incorporations, corporate tax filing is June the 30th. So CPP, you can retire with more money, which is great, but increase towards contribution has gone up. And of course, RSP has gone up. Deadline is March the 1st. April 30th is deadline for income tax personal, and June 30th is the deadline for corporate taxes. Rates are historically low, 0.99% for mortgages. Investments ROIs are from 5 to 15% here at the Bridge Group. Pick up the phone. Let us be part of changing your financial course of your life. We are definitely the home of all of your financial needs. Take care, be safe, be well, and let's get out of this together. Have an awesome day.